Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Medium. This moment I would like to continue my project Sen Lak Long Platter Sen Lak Long for live tracking. Now our focus is to this module. This is a module Sen Lak Long for live tracking. But on previous project, we have this project, but we must upgrade this module Sen Lak Long. Why? Because if we use this one, I mean we don't add with Wakelock plus plugin, so we have a timeout from device. If there is timeout from device, so this latitude longitude cannot send to database like this. This is a live sender to send lat long to database. Yeah, every vehicle we will use this module. Okay. On the other hand, we use another module to monitor live tracking for this vehicle. Okay, so this is my experience result on my smartphone before we fix this submodule. So the conclusion of my experience this one, we must add Wakelock plus plugin on this module. So this function, this plugin function is to make our device never sleep, no time out or always on. Okay, so I mean if this application we use this plugin, okay, moment please, pointer screen laser pen. Okay, if we use this plugin, so this timeout cannot, there is no timeout. Okay, so this number 3, there is no. Okay, and also this one, there is no timeout. Okay, the previous project we have background service, this one. Okay, and then if our device we use not power saving, so the result is this one. Foreground, yeah, our device will send lat long. Okay, this one. And also this one, the background, if our application run on the background, so the lat long send, but not change. I mean, the previous lat long will send to the server. But for number 3, if we don't use this plugin, so if there is something timeout, I mean, if timeout to our device, so the lat long not send, because if a timeout occur, so this lat long will not send. Okay, so the conclusion is this submodule is we must use the wake lock plus plugin. Okay, if we use this one, so this device every time on my setting, every 5 seconds will send this lat long to the server. So now we can monitor live tracking this guys where is go from one point to another point. Okay, how to make this plugin to our project? Before we integrate this plugin to our project, the first time we must try to make this plugin for simple project. Okay, this one we can use this plugin Wakelock plus this one. We can choose a version for compatible to our laptop setting, our SDK version and Android version and so on. We can check which one we can use for this development. Okay, now we back to the laptop to make coding for Wakelock plus plugin. Okay, now this application to live tracking, I can stop, and then now we can try to make Wakelock plus plugin. Okay. Okay, this one we can close this one. Okay, now we make a new project. Moment please. Too slow. Maybe my laptop. Yeah, too slow. Yeah, not too fast because we need a long time for response if I click something in my laptop. Okay, we go to this laptop. We make go to the belajar folder. Okay, now we make create a new project. Okay, we see our project, this one, Wakelock. Okay, wake lock. No problem. Okay, this one. We make grid wake lock. Okay, maybe for 10 seconds. The system on Visual Studio Code. We use Visual Studio Code to create this project. Okay, finish. Now we try to open this folder. File, folder. Okay, we go to D and then Belajar Flutter. This one, lock, wake lock. Okay, this one. Select folder. Okay, wait a minute for show the script. Okay, now we make a new terminal. This one. Before we choose the version of the wake lock plus this one, we must see our Flutter. We make Flutter Doctor. Okay, moment please. Flutter Doctor, where is it? Flutter Doctor. Oh. Oh. Minus V. Okay. Now we can see our software, SDK version, and so on. That version, okay. I use that version 3.2.3. Okay, we can see on my Wake Lock Plus, check lock this one. Which one we can use this version? Okay, if we use version 1.2.0, our that must be that version must be 3.3, but our that just this one 3.2.3. So the conclusion is we cannot use this version. Okay, now we downgrade to the bottom. Okay, we use 1.1.6, this one. Okay, so how to install it? Click here. And then this is the dependency. We can change to 1.1.8. Okay, copy this one. Okay, we copy to the pub spec here. Dependencies, this one. Okay, we copy, change to 1.1.6. Okay, now we get the package by click this one. Click this one. Okay, the package will download from the Flutter server to our computer. Just wait a moment until finish this download. Oh. This one not finished yet. Okay, wait a few seconds before we continue. Okay, maybe Just a few seconds. This process is finished. Yeah, this error report must be 0. Yeah, if not 0, it means there is something wrong with my version. Okay, exit code is 0. It means the wake lock version, we choose this one version, it's okay, it's good. Okay, now we continue after we choose this version. Now back to the PubDev Flutter. Okay, now this is an example from the PubDev. Click here. Okay, now copy this. Copy. Okay, this one we delete. Okay, delete this. Pass to this one. Okay, now test this one. The red color, we must clear this. Okay, this one. Copy this. Where is it? Copy. Paste to this one. My app. Okay, this one we must clear first. Paste. Okay, finish. Okay, now we try to run this script first by using this one. Clear first. Clean. And then pub-get. We get all these dependencies from Flutter server. Okay, after that we try to run this script. Okay, after that, after finish this running, we can see how to use this plugin. After that, we make integration this plugin, I mean wake lock plugin, to our project. Okay, maybe this process will take 1 minute. So because of that, wait a moment, please. Okay, while this running, we see our presentation. Okay, I have copy this information from the website to our presentation. And also, this is a Flutter Doctor. That version is 3.2.3. Because of that, we must use our plugin version, this one, 1.1.6. If we want to use this version, I mean 1.2.0, so our Dart must be upgraded to 3.3, because my version is not 3.3. This one, my version 3.2.3. So the plugin version, we must downgrade the version from this one to 1.1.6. Okay, maybe a few seconds. This running will finish. We can see the result if there is something wrong, and then after that, I mean, we can make integration this project Wakelog Plus to our project. We can see on the script, it's very simple. Just we make a moment, please. This one, if we want to make enable the Wakelog Plus, just make this one. Wakelog Plus dot enable. Okay, if we click a button, online button, so our Wakelog Plus will enable. And if we want to make a disable, just if we click this button, just set state Wakelog Plus dot disable. That's all to make our project Wakelog Plus. Okay, in Indonesian language, maybe our subscriber, we want to know in Indonesian language, jika kita menggunakan plugin ini, maka device kita atau smartphone kita akan menjadi always on, selalu on, tidak akan kena time out yang menyebabkan apabila device kita atau smartphone kita kena time out, ini akan menyebabkan data itu tidak terkirim ke server. Jika kita tidak menggunakan, ya sebelumnya kita menggunakan plugin untuk background service. Dan sekarang kita menggunakan plugin, namanya this one, Wakelog plugin, Wakelog Plus plugin. Oke. Moment. Sehingga dengan menggunakan plugin ini, maka diharapkan every second atau setiap periode, contoh 5 detik, 1 detik, 2 detik, atau 10 detik, up to you, kita akan mengirimkan data location, latitude, longitude from our device dari smartphone kita ke database, sehingga kita bisa memonitor live tracking secara live, maksudnya, dan juga kita bisa melihat history. Mungkin 1 hari atau berapa jam yang lalu setelah selesai, seseorang bisa kita tracking dari mana dia mulai berangkat sampai ke mana, jam berapa, speednya berapa, itu bisa termonitor seluruhnya. Oke, too long this proses ya. Oke, sabarlah menunggu. Mungkin tinggal beberapa detik lagi kita akan melihat hasil daripada plugin yang kita install, yaitu Wakelog Plus, agar smartphone kita tetap dia always on, tidak akan terjadi timeout. Karena apabila terjadi timeout, data latitude, longitude yang akan dikirimkan, maksudnya data posisi latitude, longitude kita tidak akan terkirim ke server, sehingga apa yang kita inginkan, objektif daripada proyek ini, tidak kita dapatkan. Oke, maybe a few seconds, our result will see on the screen. Okay, just a moment, please. Okay. Please see on the virtual device, this one, the wake lock is currently disabled. Jadi kalau currently disabled artinya ya normal version. Barangkali, bisa saya tunjukkan di sini, ya. Kalau smartphone kita itu, this one, contoh, ini, time out. Ini bisa kita setting melalui setting display, screen time out, bisa kita setting 15, ya tergantung masing-masing handphone, 15 second, 30 second, 1 menit, 2 menit, 5 menit, 10 menit, paling lama 10 menit. Jadi, if time out occur, so the data lat long cannot send to our server. Jadi, agar tidak terjadi time out, maka kita buatkanlah plugin ini, kita gunakanlah plugin wake lock ini sehingga device kita, our smartphone always on atau never sleep atau no time out. Jadi tidak ada lagi time out. Sehingga yang kita harapkan di sini, ini bisa kita lihat di layar monitor di sini, ini tidak akan ada lagi yang di bawah. Jadi lat long not send itu tidak akan terjadi karena timeout sudah tidak ada karena kita menggunakan wake lock. Jadi always on selalu device kita. Oke, coba lihat di sini. Untuk melihatnya, coba kalau ini the wake lock is currently disabled. Jadi sekarang normal atau always on-nya disable. Jadi kalau untuk meng-on-kannya kita klik sini. Enable wake lock. Klik here. Oke, the wake lock is currently enabled. Artinya kalau enable ini, aplikasi kita on-kan, ya selamanya selama masih ada baterai, selama masih ada power, dia selalu on, always on. Sehingga dia bisa mengirimkan data location, latitude, longitude from this device to database. Sehingga kalau data lat long sudah masuk ke dalam database ini, semua pergerakan vehicle ataupun mobil kita taruh, barangkali kereta api atau boat dan lain sebagainya bisa kita lacak di mana posisi benda yang bergerak ini sekarang. Oke, next time maybe if you don't you want to change this live sender from your smartphone to special device. This is a device live sender. We can change IoT GPS module. So if we use this one, okay, maybe cheaper than if we make a smartphone to my vehicle, special for live sender. It means send data location, latitude, longitude to database. But if we want to make a monitoring, live tracking, this one, we must use my smartphone to monitor this vehicle movement from one point to another point. Okay, for this moment, we have finished to use wake lock plus to this simple project. But now we can use this plugin for our project. Okay, maybe before that it's better for us to show you which one we can use. Okay, we can use to previous project this is our previous project. Our previous project, this one, without this backlog. But now we can add these features backlog if we use this one to this project. So our project is never sleep, always on, or no timeout. Okay, now we go to this previous project. We can add this one backlog plugin. So now we go to the script. Okay, this one we can close. Okay, stop debugging. Okay, now we close this project. Where is it? File, close folder. Okay, now we back to the previous project without backlog plus. Okay, this is our previous project. Moment please. We can run first. We check it, this script, and then we run. We can see this send long without this module, this plugin. And then we can add this backlog plugin to our previous project. Okay, now we try to run the previous project first. Wait, hello, where is it? Oh. Okay, now mother clean. Okay, oh, mother clean. Okay, we make clean first. Okay, once again, mother clean. Make this red color, and then after that we make get the plugin. Oh, too slow. This internet connection, speed the internet not too fast because okay, this is a red color. Now we try to, oh my god, PubGet. Okay. Okay, now after this one, PubGet, we try to run the script, and then we can see the result on my virtual device, this one. Okay, now run. Start debugging. Click here. Okay. Close this. Okay, no problem. Okay, start debugging session. This process maybe take about 1 minute or 60 seconds. Okay, while this running, we back to my presentation. This one. Okay. We can see the set lat long without this one because we want to add this wake lock plugin to previous project. So if we make a APK and then we send it to our smartphone and then we install, we run it. No, after maybe we set the time out 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, our project will go to the black screen. It means time out occurred. So the data location lat long cannot send to the database. Because of that, now our set lat long, we add the plugin. I mean, we add the wake lock plugin. Okay. Moment, we can see the previous project without the wake lock plugin. Okay, this time usually just 1 minute. But if there is a lot of module here running, cause our task is too slow. And also maybe my internet connection not too fast. So sorry about that. Okay, we wait until this finish. Then we see the result, the sender lat long without wake clock. Wake clock means in Indonesia always on. Bangun terkunci sehingga dia always on. Tidak akan pernah terjadi time out. Karena apabila terjadi time out, maka data yang tadinya yang ingin kita kirimkan this one, ya, lat long not send, lat long not send. This is if time out occur. So this will not function, not tidak terjadi, not occur this time out because we install the wake lock plus. Okay, maybe yes, maybe a 30-second more. Okay, wait until this process is finished. And to make integration wake lock to this previous project, yes, we have make here the Flutter Senalong with wake lock, this one. Yeah, we make a switch. It's better than before. Just make a small switch, and the switch we can click here to off never sleep and click to the left, and if we click to the right, never sleep is on. It means never sleep or always on. Okay, maybe a few moments later, this process will finish. Moment, please. Yep, hurry up, please. Okay, maybe a few moments, the result will see on the virtual device. Okay, forget this API because this is a script. If this module or this project, we can use the commercial or production project. We must use the API key, a good uh, a good API key. I mean API key, the new API key. Oh, what happened? Please, okay. You can see this, the result. This is a previous project, yeah. Before we add the Wake plugin, Wake Plus plugin. This is the name, Wake. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Wake Plus plugin. We use a version 1.1.6 because depend on my Flutter, yeah, my Dart or my Flutter version. Okay, maybe a few seconds more. The process will finish. We can see the result on my virtual device. Moment, please. Okay, where is the result? Okay, this one. This is the previous project. You can see this one without the switch. Okay, now on previous project, this one, if we use this one, yeah, sometimes maybe 1 minute or 30 seconds, this device will be time out. So, kita akan membuat device kita tidak akan pernah time out atau always on atau never sleep. So, how to do that? Oke, pertama kita buatkan setting parameter boolean. Okay, this one we make a boolean bool. We make the name value 0, nilai awal is false. Okay, and after that we want to make a switch after enter. Okay, now we find out where is the enter in the script. Okay, this is the enter. Where is it? Enter, where are you? Oh, this one, enter. Okay, now we want to make a switch here. Switch. Okay, this one is value 0. And then I change this. Okay. Okay, this is the uh, switch. Okay, now set state. Okay, value 0, value 0 equals value. Okay, this one I have made to our presentation. Yeah, this one. Okay. Now this is initialisasi. The first one, we make if we this switch. Yeah, if we click here, the right side become on, and the left side the wake lock become off. Okay. After this one, we make if condition on init state. Okay, we init state. Okay, this one, where is it? This one. Okay. If value 0 is true, okay, this one. Else, okay, if true, now this one set state. Okay, on my previous project, before we make integration to this one, just we put here wake lock plus dot enable if true. Okay, now this one wake lock, where is it? Oh, okay, wake lock doesn't work because we must add the pub spec first. This one pub spec here. Okay, not yet. We add this one. Okay, installing. Okay, these dependencies we can change to 1.1.6. Okay, copy these dependencies. Copy. Okay, this one change to 1.1.6. Okay, now get this dependency. Okay, get pub get this one. Okay, wait until finish this process. We can see if there is something wrong or running well. If 0, yeah, this wake lock plus version is compatible to our software, SDK version, and so on. Okay, maybe a few seconds we can see the result here. If there is something wrong, we can see the 0 here. And also we can click here to get the package. You can see get the package and the button get the package, this one. Okay, click here. Okay, you can see exit code 0. It means this version it's okay, compatible with my computer version, SDK version, and so on. Okay, and after that we can copy this, import this one to our script. Okay, main dot here. Okay, sorry about this one. Copy to this. Okay, now we back to initiasi. Init state. Where is it? Click here. Okay, this is init state. Okay, if value 0 equals true, so wake state is wake lock plus this one. Okay, dot enable this one. Okay, so else this one set state wake lock plus dot disable. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, now the switch we will add this one off on. Okay, now we go to the switch here, switch. Where is it? Okay, this one. Oh, it's okay, no problem. Our device restart. It's okay. Now we make this one switch state. Click here refactor row. We want to make one row. We add the text here. One row. This one. Okay. This one text. Make this one off. Okay, and then where is the switch? Okay, this is the switch. Make this text again. Make this on. What I write here? Never sleep or never time out. Never sleep. Okay. Okay, now we try to run this. Then first, Okay. Now if this finish, we can see, where is it? This switch, and then init state. I want to see the init state. Where is it? Oh, clean pubget. Then pubget. Okay, this is clean. The red color, and if we make a pubget, the red color will be clear. So it means the dependencies will download from the Flutter server to our computer. Okay, now we want to, where is the init state? Okay, we can see this one. Init. Okay, this one. If true, it means this work plus. We add this information print. Okay, this one. Never no time out, or never sleep. What else? Always on. Okay, now we can see if this process we run this, we can see this one. Okay, now we try to run this virtual this project. Too slow. Yeah, sorry about that. Wait a moment, please. Okay, finish this one. After that, we try to run this script. We can see the result. If the debug console, if we see this information, no timeout or never sleep or always on, it means our wake clock plus is running. Okay, this process will take, yeah, maybe more than 1 minute, yeah, maybe 1.5 minute. We can see the result. Okay, this running. We can wait a moment. After that, we make enable wake clock plus, and then we can see the result. If the result we see this one, it means the plugin is running. Okay, and after that, if we run this, okay, maybe we move this one to the right side. Okay, no problem. Just a moment, please, because this process still running, not finished yet. After finish this process, we can move these virtual device to the right side, and then we can see this one if this module run, so this send.long will send the data latitude, longitude to the server every time. There is no timeout because we use this plugin, Wake Lock Plus, to make our device never sleep, or our device no timeout, or our device always on. So the lat long will send every time in my setting, every 5 seconds, the location latitude longitude will send to the database. And after that, we can see where is this device, this vehicle. We can live tracking second by second. We can see where is the vehicle now. This one. Yeah. We can see the latitude, longitude, and also we can see if we use this one maybe to bus or to others, we can see where is the vehicle now, or where is the bus now, what time the vehicle arrived to this health, or where is the road from the one point to another point, or we can see speed between one point to another point. Okay, and all this project we can implement it to our moda transportation to our city. So someone wait, for example, wait the bus, he knows where is the bus now, what time the bus will arrive to this halte, and what else? Up to you. You can add the pitches. We can ask to me, what do you want to do about this project? Okay, maybe next time after finish this one, the next time the final time I can show you all features one by one. Yeah. This is features live tracking. We can see one by one. Okay, but now we can see the result. If this one finish, we can see the Wake Lock Plus will run or enable or disable to our project. Okay, while this Flutter launching is running, we can see my presentation. Okay. Okay, this is how to make a switch for enable or disable Wake Lock Plus. Okay, this one. Okay, this is if we want to set my location. It's mean I think it's better to change this one to set my GPS on. Click here. GPS. This is equipment to receive signal from the satellite. Okay, this one, how to know our application as a features background service. Okay, this is a previous project. If we want to know is there my project run on the background service, click here the developer option, and then click running service. You can see all project are running on the background service. If you see the project name here, it means your project running on the background service, running service. Okay, the next, check stay awake service on smartphone. Yeah, on my smartphone, there is awake, but this features is running if our device while charging. Yeah, if our device not charging, these features cannot work. So because of that, we develop this script for if our device not charging, okay, awake clock still running. Okay, the next, this is to check the timeout, click display setting, click display, and click screen timeout. We can change the setting from 15, 30, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, and the last one is 10 minute. Okay, but if we make a script, we can make there is no timeout. Okay, we can see the result of my project. Okay, this one. Okay, we can see this. Okay, now this one. Okay, maybe we log in first. Oh, click here. Where is the login? Oh, this one. Why this one? Oh my God. Why too late this one? Okay, this is the password. Yeah, we log in first. Success. Okay, now I have mentioned to you if we see this information, no time out, never sleep, always on, it means our plugin will our plugin is on. Okay, click here on plugin. You can see this one after this plugin is on. Oh, okay, on. You can see this one. Okay, where is it? This one. No time out, never sleep. Okay, moment please. Okay. No time out, never sleep, always on. It's mean our device still always on. There is no time out. Okay. this is we want to our send long. Every time we'll send location, latitude, longitude to the server. Okay. If you have question to this my project, please write down on my YouTube channel. If you have something today and you're a new subscriber, please subscribe my YouTube channel and make a statement. Maybe you have a question or suggestion. Thank you for time is watching my video. See you next later. Bye bye.